In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a website banner to your Wix blog post page. To get started, open your website in the Wix editor so you can access the layout and design tools for your blog. Once you're inside the editor, go to the top left corner of the screen and click the Pages and Menu icon. This is where you'll find the different pages and sections of your site. From there, scroll down until you see the Blog Pages section, and then select Post Page. This is important because you want to edit the layout that appears on your individual blog posts, not just the main blog feed. By choosing the post page, you are making changes to the page visitors see when they open a specific article. Next, move your cursor above the blog post content area. Click that button to insert a new area at the top of the page. When the layout options open, you can choose a blank layout if you want full control. Or pick a layout that already includes a strip if you want a faster starting point. If you prefer another method, you can also go to the left side menu and click Add Elements. From there, select Strip and drag it onto the top of the page yourself. This gives you another simple way to build a banner area exactly where you want it. Once your strip or section has been added, click directly on it to begin customizing the design. You should see an option like Change Strip Background or Change Background. Click that option and choose the visual style for your banner. You can upload a custom image to match your branding, use a solid color for a clean and simple look, or even add a video if you want something more dynamic. Choose the option that best fits the tone of your blog and keeps the page easy to read. After the background is set, go back to Add Elements and drag text boxes or buttons into your new banner area. This is where your banner becomes functional. You can add a short announcement, highlight a promotion, or feature an important message. Then edit the button so it links to a landing page, an external URL, or another part of your site, depending on where you want to send visitors. Take a moment to adjust spacing, alignment, and readability, so the banner feels polished and doesn't distract from the blog content. Once everything looks right, your blog post page will have a custom banner that helps guide attention and support your goals. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.